Stunning Victorian home with modern upgrades for €3 million in Malahide exclusive tour. Welcome to 8 Carlisle Terrace, a stunning property nestled in the heart of Malahide, Dublin, now available for €3 million. This beautiful home is not just a house, it's a piece of history, located on a street named after the esteemed George William Frederick Howard, the 7th Earl of Carlisle, who was a champion of religious tolerance in the 19th century. Originally built in the 1860s by Thomas Hargreave, these 8 semi-detached homes were designed to offer comfort and elegance, featuring parlors, dining rooms, and spacious bedrooms. Imagine living in a home that comes with a first-class railway ticket to Dublin for 15 years, a luxury that was once part of the deal. While a leap card might be more practical today, the charm of these Victorian houses remains timeless. Now, number 8, the end house of the terrace, has just hit the market through FitzGerald, and it's a rare gem. Spanning 226 square meters, 2,433 square feet, this 5-bedroom home is Ber-exempt and has been lovingly maintained and extended by the same family for decades. Located just 200 meters from the vibrant Diamond in Malahide village, you'll find yourself in a prime spot to enjoy all that this seaside community has to offer. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a delightful blend of old-world charm and modern convenience. The drawing room and dining room boast exquisite marble fireplaces, intricate coving, and classic sash windows that let in plenty of natural light. There's even a conservatory off the drawing room, currently set up as a gym, with a door leading to the side entrance. At the back, a contemporary extension has transformed the kitchen and family area into a spacious haven for gatherings. The original hearth has been preserved, with a stylish stove fitted into it, creating a unique focal point in the kitchen. This light-filled space features a generous dining area and a cozy family room, complete with double doors that open up to the garden, perfect for those sunny days. Need extra storage? The large utility room has you covered, and there's even a staircase leading up to what was once the servants' quarters, now a chic en suite bedroom. The expansive rear garden, nearly 50 meters, 160 feet, long, has been the backdrop for countless family celebrations and offers a gate leading out to Stable Lane. With the right planning permission, there's potential to create a mews at the back, adding even more value to this incredible property. On the first floor, you'll find a bathroom and 4 inviting bedrooms. The main bedroom is a true retreat, featuring a period fireplace with a copper canopy, a large sash window overlooking the front garden, and elegant ceiling coving. Malahide Village is just a stone's throw away, with the dart station, schools, sports clubs, and a variety of restaurants all within walking distance. The current owners have mixed feelings about parting with their cherished home, but they believe it's time for a new family to create their own memories here. Their children have fond recollections of growing up on Carlisle Terrace, with friends always gathering in the garden and the freedom to explore the nearby amenities. This home is not just a place to live, it's a place to thrive, and it's waiting for you to make it your own.